Rappers and music producers, it's Curtis King, CurtisKingBeats.com, and as you can see, we are in new surroundings. We even got some voice-activated lights up here. Hey, I don't know why I did that. My ear is now gone. Anyways, this is the new studio setup. What I wanted to do is give you guys a quick tour. I mean, most of the stuff that you've already seen in past tours is still here. Just enough changes to justify doing an updated tour of the studio as promised. But man, as you can see, it took 2 long years to get back to this point. Made some sacrifices, and the sacrifices for the greater, man. So I'm just sharing this stuff, man, as pure inspiration to show you what can absolutely happen for you, especially when you focus, follow one course until success. Either way, let's jump into it. Rappers and producers, take a walk with me right here through the entrance of the home studio. It's a rather spacey room. I enjoyed having all this space because it allowed me to have a very simplistic layout. What I wanted to do was kind of accomplish what I consider my own slice of paradise. So as you can see, the trees in the background kind of accentuate that. I finally got a new desk, finally got some stands for my monitors so they're not just sitting on top of the desk. Obviously, I used all that acoustic foam finally. As you can see, we have keyboards that are wireless, the mouse that is wireless, as well as this new desk that is by a company called OneSpace. It's a Regalo expandable L desk, and what that means is that I can take this side of the desk and pretty much expand it out to my liking. Now this chair is by a company called Gigantex, and it's pretty much a gaming chair. It's ergonomic, and it is definitely comfortable, especially for those of you with lower back issues. As you can see, that cushion. As I mentioned before, I wanted to have my own slice of paradise, so I got these plants from Home Depot to kind of give it just a little nice little vibe we got going on here. Now here's what you probably were all looking forward to. These are pretty much voice activated and sound activated lights by a company called Nanoleaf. Super dope. You can trigger them from your cell phone, from a Chrome extension, all that good stuff. Now you guys remember the OG lights that I got from IKEA? Still got those. I don't know what it is, but LEDs just kind of set it off for me. Just like most producers, I like to have the vibes. As you can see, I still got my FL Fire. Found a nice little place for that. Okay. Got the logo on the mouse pad, which you can also get customized. I have information for all these pieces of equipment that I'm using, obviously in the description below. I'm just so thankful to have this canvas that I can continue to add stuff to, and I will be adding stuff to it. Man, I hope you enjoyed the tour. So that's about it. I mean, the only thing I think I'm gonna add after this is, obviously there's like this window that's right there in the middle. I'm probably gonna put, I found this soundproof insulation blanket that I'm gonna put over the top of that, only because my neighbors are there. Some of you guys were asking me about, you know, can you tell us why you put this stuff over there? Like, can you give us some technique with that? All I can say is that I have neighbors on that side that are fairly close. There's no close neighbors in the front, but I just wanna be very good to my neighbors in my new neighborhood. But what I wanna do is basically deaden the reverb within this room, which was a lot of reverb when I first got in here, and then also too, you know, kind of cushion the blow of the KRKs back there as I work on my music, just so I can be at peace with what I'm doing. I obviously got the bass traps on that side because, once again, my neighbors are on that side. But outside of that, man, everybody in here knows it's a music household. They're looking forward to me cooking up again, and I hope that y'all looking forward to it as well. Once again, it's Curtis King, CurtisKingBeats.com. Peace.